Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color SpongeBob cuddling with Gary the Snail. Let's start drawing. Let's draw SpongeBob. I start with his eyes. Then I draw his nose. And his smiling mouth with his 2 teeth. I continue with the shape of his head. Then I draw his arm like this. Into his hands, I draw Gary the Snail like this. His eyes, his smiling mouth, his body, and his house. How cute! I finished the drawing with SpongeBob's outfit. He is wearing a shirt and a tie. And his trousers. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color SpongeBob first. Blue for his eyes. Yellow for his body. I use this marker for the holes. I use red for the tie. The shirt will remain white. I use brown for the trousers. Black. For Gary's eyes, I use red and light green. Then I color his skin aqua blue. For his snail house, I use pink, red, and blue. Awesome! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.